Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Desy Sari. I'm from M.Pd. Title: Teaching Narrative Reading by Using the Subtext Strategy for Islamic Senior High School Students. Authors: Sir Muhammad Holandyah, Miss Nova Pitaloka, Sir Wahyudianto. The problem in this research is the lack of motivation in reading English text. The students got difficulty to identify the characteristic of the narrative text. The students had poor vocabulary. They could not understand the content of the narrative text. And lastly, some of the students got difficulties in comprehending the text. The objectives of this study were to find out whether or not there was a significant improvement before and after the treatment on the 11th grade students' reading comprehension scores at one Islamic senior high school in Palembang by using subtext strategy and to find out whether or not there was a significant difference on the 11th grade students' reading comprehension scores between the students who were taught by using subtext strategy and those who were not. The study used a quasi-experimental design, pre-test, post-test, non-equivalent group design. In this study, we use reading comprehension tests in the form of multiple choice to collect the data. The data analysis technique used was qualitative. In analyzing the data obtained from quasi-experimental design were calculated by means of SPSS 20 software. The findings in this study is in distribution of frequency data, score, frequency, and percentage were analyzed. The score were obtained from pre-test score in control group, post-test score in control group, pre-test scores in experimental group, and post-test scores in experimental group. There are some conclusions that can be drawn from this research referred to the finding and interpretation presented in the previous chapter. First, based on the result of pre-test to post-test, subtext strategy significantly improves students' reading comprehension score to the 11th grade students of one Islamic senior high school in Palembang. Second, there was significant difference on student reading comprehension score to the 11th grade students who were taught by using subtext strategy and those who were taught by strategy that was usually used by teacher of one Islamic senior high school in Palembang. Therefore, it can be inferred that the teaching reading comprehension in narrative text by using subtext strategy can be considered as an alternative strategy that can be used. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.